When choosing your bump stops, there's only a couple of things you need to consider. In this example, we have 3 different options: a 0 offset, a 1/4 inch offset, and a 1/2 inch offset. The first thing you need to consider is if your part is going to be inside the jaws or outside of the jaws. If your parts are going to be inside the jaws, you're going to want a 0 offset. 0 offset allows you to hold parts inside of the area of the jaws. Now, this does trap the bump stop, so it can't move out of the way completely, so you just have to be mindful of that in this situation. In these other 2 examples, the stock overhangs. Depending on how much overhang you have, you're going to want more or less offset. The maximum offset we allow is 1/2 inch. Once you go beyond that, the stock simply bumps up against this inside face here and you can't overhang anymore. With the other 2 examples here, you do get the added benefit of being able to swivel the bump stop completely out of the way, giving you access to the faces of your part. Once you know if your stock is going to be inside or outside of the jaws, you can choose your offset appropriately. The second thing that you need to consider is whether or not this is going to change frequently. If your stock is going to change from small to large, then you're probably going to want both. That way, depending on the circumstances, you can choose the offset that you need. If you have any questions, let us know. You can reach us by email, text message, or by social media. And I'll see you next time.